Name the part marked X in the figure. Bed. Bent tail carrier are shown in the figure. What is the purpose of this carrier? Hold the work in between center. Name the angle marked A in the lathe cutting tool shown in the figure. Side rack angle. Calculate RPM for plane turning a 50 mm workpiece using high-speed steel tool. Recommended cutting speed is 30 meter per minute. 191. Name the lathe accessory shown in the figure. 4-jaw chuck. Name the lathe accessory shown in the figure. Faceplate. Name the tool post shown in the figure. Single way tool post. Single way tool post. Grade of knurling is shown in the figure is marked in X. Fine knurling. The taper provided in nose of the tailstock, barrel or spindle of lathe is Morse taper. While drilling, the drill gets overheated. This is due to excessive cutting pressure. A buttressed profile is shown in there. What is the angle marked X in the figure? 45 degree. Buttressed is always 45 degree. The surface connecting crest and root of a thread is termed flank. The figure below is thread shank twist drill. What is the name of the part A? Body clearance. Flat drill is shown in the figure. Name the angle marked X in the figure. Cutting clearance. Twist drills are made with different helix angles. The helix angle determines rack angles. By which one of the following measuring methods the D and D of a tapered workpiece can be measured? Sine bar. The grade of the grinding wheel is determined by the bond. Which one of the following is an artificial abrasive? Silicon carbide. To check the dimensional limits of an external screw thread, the most suitable will be thread micrometer. Thread ring gauges are used to check external threads. Separate go and no-go gauging mirrors are provided. Which one of the following screw thread elements is not checked with the ring gauges? Which element not checked with the ring gauges? Pitch diameter. Puddling furnace is used to produce wrought iron. The melting point of tin is 232 degrees Celsius. Density of steel is 7.85 gram per centimeter cube. The free carbon content in cast iron in an independent form is known as graphite. The melting point of cast iron is 1150 degrees Celsius. The abrasive used for honing the non-ferrous metal is silicon carbide. The carbon content range in high carbon steel is 0.7% to 1.4%. Which one of the following ferrous metals cannot be melted into a liquid state. Steel. Gunmetal is an alloy of copper, tin and zinc. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. The flank angle and the form of fine screw thread can be checked by using optical projector. After threading a hole by a tape, it was found that the crease of thread was not formed completely. This defect is due to hole size slightly more than the tape drill size. Die and die stock shown in the figure named the die stock. Button die stock. The angle of British standard Whitworth thread is 55 degree. Name the tool shown in the figure. Solid hand reamer. Name the gauge used checking the V-threading tool. Center gauge. The recommended cutting angle of a flat scraper is in between 70 to 75 degree. The half round scraper cutting angle is in between 35 degree to 40 degree. The least count of vernier metric micrometer is 0.001 mm. Vernier micrometer have additional equally spaced graduation, vernier graduation, given above the datum line, 10 equally spaced line. The measurement in a dial test indicated is the magnified small variation in sizes through a pointer. The principle of working of a dial test indicator is the linear motion is converted into a rotary motion using rack and pinion. The lever type dial test indicator works with the principle of level and scroll. Which one of the following cutting fluids is used during grinding mild steel? Soluble oil. Which one of the following refers to the term tool life? The length of time a cutting tool can be used after several grindings. The pointer of plunger type dial indicator points to 52 divisions on dial and its revolution counter shows 2 divisions. Least count of instrument is 0.01 mm. The value of reading is 2.52 mm. Speed of the tool in turning is expressed in mm per revolution. Which one of the not the advantage of preventive maintenance system? More downtime. Manufacturer's manual contains all the necessary details for lubricated parts in machine tools. Lubricants are applied daily, weekly, monthly or at regular intervals. Which symbol is used for monthly lubricated? Circle. The cutting tool material should possess certain quality. The ability of the tool material to retain the most of the cold hardness property even at very high temperature is termed as cold hardness.